Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing a complete disaster cleanup. We just had our New Year's party, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the process of cleaning all this mess.
Just keep walking down to separate ways. I can show you escaping.
So to make more room, I put the dining table against the wall and we scattered the chairs in the living room so people could sit comfortably. So here I am just clearing off the table and I will be cleaning it so I can put it back.
You lose it all. I'll just wait here as you're fading away. I got to know you, got to love you. One thing to say.
So here I am using my Method cleaner. It is in the lavender scent and I love this cleaner so much. So I had a little hard time folding this table here. Thank God hubby was home, so he was able to help me with that and carry it up for me too. Thank you, honey.
You lose it all. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away.
It was so chaotic having chairs everywhere in the house, so it was so nice to be able to put them back and have some kind of order here.
To the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away. Escaping your pain. Now you break down. You're drained now.
So I still have all my Christmas tree and my Christmas decorations up. It's obviously after the new year. So when do you guys put your Christmas stuff away?
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away.
So
Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away.
it's nice.
Trying not to show you my
back to normal. And now I
emotions.
would
Now you sail away.
go tackle the kitchen, which is where most of the mess is. But I just wanted to sit here and chat with you guys just a little bit. You know, it's a new year. Happy New Year. I hope you guys started it well. I did. I was with some family and friends.
Looking
And we
for
had a good
my
time.
mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold.
So I wanted to
secret smile.
ask you guys, what are some goals that you guys are setting for the new year, for 2020? I'm going to be focusing a whole lot on this channel. It's been a year since I started it and I can't believe how I'm still so driven to do what I'm doing, to film and share with you guys some cleaning motivation. And I hope you guys do enjoy my videos, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like I said in my last video, my goal was to reach 200 subscribers by the end of December. I'm at 209, so that's 9 subscribers over. So thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys are part of my growth for 2020, because without you guys my channel wouldn't be standing, and I just want to thank you guys for that. So I hope that whatever goals you set for yourself in 2020 are realistic and you can accomplish them, and I hope and pray that God is going to give you the strength and will and power to be able to do so. So my goal for the next few months is to definitely hit 1,000 subscribers. I know that's such a big milestone for a lot of new YouTubers, and some get there quicker than others, and some, like me, are a bit slow, and that's okay. Growth is growth, however you get there. So my goal is, in the next couple months, it would be awesome if I could definitely accomplish the 1,000 subscribers, and I hope you guys are gonna really get this year. 2020, I feel like it's gonna be a good year for everybody. I'm gonna put that vibe out there for you guys. We can do this. All right, back to cleaning, guys.
Oh my gosh, this kitchen gave me so much anxiety. I could not wait to clean it up and be able to see my counters, because I had things all over the counter and it just drove me crazy. I had not emptied my dishwasher, so that was the first thing that I did, so I could be able to load it again and get it going and start washing some of the dishes that I needed to wash by hand.
I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. Je call, I fall. There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
Buying this Instant Pot was probably one of the best decisions I've made in 2019. I love it. I love everything about it, and I have been really enjoying it.
I get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from
lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right, lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck, send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if
Sweeping and mopping were the last things that I ended up doing in the kitchen, and I can tell you it felt so good to see the kitchen all cleaned up again.
save me when I am falling, save me when I am falling, save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh.
Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you got a ton of motivation out of it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you have a comment to leave me down below, please go ahead and do so. I love reading all your comments and I love replying to each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.